Okay, factors contributed to the making of our constitution means whatever factors responsible for making our constitution means how we got inspiration for making our constitution. Okay, means it having several means clues. Ideals of French Revolution we have taken means how to being French Revolution means one by one countries become independent and they got their democracy in their country. They have adopted one by one a lot of countries. Okay, after French Revolution. And from South Africa, Nelson Mandela whatever have done means also got some clues. The practice parliamentary democracy in Britain. In Britain means what is democracy, on that they were practicing, and a lot of leaders had gone for getting education, and they also got the knowledge about democracy is the better and best type of government. So we got this inspiration. Okay, next, the Bill of Rights in the US. In Bill of Rights in US also given about democracy, and people's means doing according to their own opinion there. The socialist revolution in Russia also very important factor for the contributed of making constitution. Then Indian people's mind it came, we have also need to constitution, we have also need for the means democracy government, democratic government. Then these idea emergence in their mind, and they have framed the Constituent Assembly. The Constituent Assembly have made constitution. Okay, no means one person is responsible for making constitution. Here overall Constituent Assembly having means more than 100 peoples who have given their responsible contribution for making constitution. Okay, means in July 1946 election held for the Constituent Assembly. Okay, and the drafting of the constitution means they have taken decision. Means constitution was done Constituent Assembly, means Constituent Assembly will give their opinion for making constitution. And in this reference, Dr. Rajendra Prasad become the chairman of the Constituent Assembly. Okay, and after that, in December 1946 the first meeting was held, and means after the country was divided into two parts, India and Pakistan, their assembly also being divided. Okay, and then assembly adopted the constitution in 26 November 1949, means they have started their work from that day. And Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Rao become the president of drafting committee of constitution who have written constitution. Okay, and it came in effect on 26th of January 1950. In this way, 2 years, 11 months and 18 days, that constitution have been taken for making by the Constituent Assembly. Okay, the Constituent Assembly worked a systematic, open and casual manner, means everyone have given their open decision there. Okay, and it have more than 2000 amendment they have considered, and they have discussed about it. Next point, means first some basic whatever principle was, and they have discussed about it, decided, means agreed upon it. These principle we have to obey. Okay, and then means overall Constituent Assembly have made this means written and big constitution, largest constitution they have consider on that. And after that means they have came means bring came on effect 26th January 1950. And 26th January means in this reference we are celebrating every year as the Republic Day. Republic Day means People's Day, because democracy, democratic type of government from that day that constitution came in effect, and our country also adopted democracy and that constitution from that day. Okay, so in philosophy of the constitution, what is philosophy responsible for the constitution? It's the philosophy of Ram Rajya, and Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation, also have vision about it. Means everywhere should be spread and scattered peace and silence. Okay, so they have adopted this constitution by this vision. Okay, under to it, the constitution begins with the short statement, means whatever written on that basic values which called the preamble. In the preamble, everything's written, whatever major points written in overall constitution. If any people unable to read, unable to see the overall whatever written in constitution, then means he can read the preamble and know what is given in Indian constitution. Everything given there. Okay, each and every word of the preamble having a large meaning, a broad meaning, whatever the vision and philosophy of Indian constitution. Okay, and the preamble focus on the major points of Indian constitution, whatever given inside those major points, means cream points written on preamble. Okay, means the first wordings of the preamble is we the people of Indians. Okay, means we the people of Indian means loving solemnity, and whatever written people of Indians means we all, no one have came from outside, and overall authority given into the hand of common people of India, means anyone can be the post of president and prime minister. Here authority is not given and into the hand of any king or royal family. Okay, so the next word is highlighted there, sovereign. Under to sovereign have means people have supreme right to make decisions. Means they can make decisions by the agreement of their assembly, their parliament houses. Okay. Next one is word is socialist. Under to socialist, it's given in preamble that wealth is generated socially, and it should be shared equally in society. Whatever wealth in country, means no one people should be more rich and more poor in the country, and the government should be accountable to share that wealth among them equally. Okay, next one is secular, means complete freedom to follow any religion. No one is forced for adopting any particular religion. People's free in India for adopting any religion, any culture. Okay, next one is democratic. People enjoy their equal right in their same country, and they also being democratic, they can elect their representative, and overall fundamental rights and duties they have to obey in democratic country. Okay, government only by the people and for the people of the people. Okay, it's given. Next word is republic, highlighted there. Means in our country having republic, means authority not given into the hand of hereditary and into the hand of any monarchical king or dynasty. Okay, next one is justice. In our country having justice, having means high court, supreme court, and the three organs of the government under to it, means this organ is also very means implemented, having effective. Everyone got their justice in their country, and criminals being punished. Okay, liberty. In our country we are free, means having liberty of freedom of speech, expression, thoughts, assembly, living anywhere, going to any place, these things. And next one is equality. Under to equality, we have equal, means we all are equal before law, means law is equal treatment given with all. No one is special in front of Indian Constitution. Next one is fraternity, means under to fraternity these things will come, means no one can behave to anyone and no one can disparities discriminate to any person by their speech, face, figure, religion, anything else, and everyone have to behave with all the Indians lovingly. Okay, means in this way we can say the chapter 2, the constitutional design is that, means overall things whatever needed for the responsible persons, and it is the best type of government as democratic government, and our constitution is the world largest constitution drafting and written. It's written by B.R. Ambedkar, and overall constituent assembly have made it, and all the points means having included in our constitution, and whatever amendments require, we can also improve our constitution's rules and regulations articles whenever it is the demand of public, and it is due to the public opinion and agreement we can improve it. And it's also improving by our PM Modi, Narendra Damodar Das Modi, have changes articles, like also he have removed article 370 from Jammu Kashmir, means if you have requirement for the changing anything in constitution, we can do it for welfare of our country. Okay, thanks.